has come, and we're at the second position on the far end of the first training ground we're at. This is the new training front line, and soon, as the sun falls, they will be training defense of this front line. We'll be training defense against air enemies and ground enemies. This should be a very interesting show. So the night version of this exercise has started. They're defending these air targets and ground targets. Armored personnel carriers are firing. Tanks are on the move coming here. Rockets have been fired. And these lights in the field behind us represent that are attacking defensive positions. All throughout this area, this defensive position is working to maintain this position. The BMPs, the tanks, have all moved out to the enemy training positions, and now they are still engaging these areas, but the intensity has come down a bit, and we're going to see what happens next. Now we can see that much of the equipment is returning from the training battlefield. Today's training session of the 5th Brigade, the Donetsk Republic Army, is coming